time for another do-it-yourself segment here on Arizona Daily Mix, and I can't help but laugh when your staff member, good old Matt here, he's helping us out today. He's going to be our guinea pig because Abrielle's going to show us how to do a charcoal face mask. So
yeah, so I'll tell you the ingredients. I'll show you how to do it first, and then poor Matt, I'm gonna rip it off. Because we did this right before the trending news in the beginning of the show, so now it's gotten some time to dry. So what you're gonna need, it's really simple. You're gonna need activated charcoal, and you can get this, I think I got it at Sprouts. And then you're gonna need just basic Elmer's glue.
Wow, glue on the face.
Yeah, I
That's
know.
interesting.
I know, girl, but it works. So I'm just gonna take one of these little, and I use these little paint pods that I used for the do-it-yourself crayon lipstick, and you get these at Michael's for like $1.
Okay.
So you're gonna empty the powder of that. If you could, actually you can. Yeah, I don't want you to get it all over your hands, but I'm gonna empty the powder of that capsule into
you just
this
pouring the
little
charcoal into
Yep.
the.
And be careful, because once you get charcoal in your hands, it kind of spreads everywhere. So you're gonna empty that. And then I'm just eyeballing it, but you could use like a tablespoon of Elmer's glue if you want, but I'm just doing it. See?
Like powders out.
Or that happens. Just be careful. Don't do what I just
Maybe
did.
put the Elmer's glue a little closer to the charcoal.
Yeah.
There we go.
Poof. So then you're going to just put that in there, and then you're going to take a toothpick.
Because you just want enough to make it a nice liquid consistency.
Exactly. Yeah, and you're going to mix it, and it's going to be dark. And you know, you might make a mess like I did, but that's such is life, okay? It's not perfect.
That's why you're doing it yourself, and it's your own craft.
Yeah.
You know, your own little project here.
But anyway, so once you mix that, you're gonna end up, thank you, Danielle, you're gonna end up with this, and this is pre-made. I did this last night. And you're gonna take it, you can use your finger, or you can also use a brush like I did on Matt. So you just put a big amount of it on because you want it to be thick enough that you'll be able to rip it off.
He's like,
Bless
rip
your
it off.
heart. Yeah, he's like, what are you about to do? So yeah, and then I painted a thick coating on his nose.
So Matt, how does it feel?
Yeah, how does it feel? Is it
It's not itchy.
It's not itchy.
Touched it.
the whole show, it's so funny because you run the cameras and stuff, and he's like, I want to itch my nose so bad. And it's tempting, but I think the best way to do it is put it on when you're going to be distracted, like watching a movie or watching TV.
So you don't think about it, that it's there.
Yeah,
And how long do you leave it on for,
I was
Abrielle?
just going to say that.
Ooh,
You
look
leave
at me
it on
jumping
for,
ahead.
Yeah, girl. You leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes or until it's dry, and when you do it thicker, that's why it takes a while. But
We're
plus
gonna see
Matt's
this.
hard. I'm going to rip it off, and you can kind of get a feel. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm nervous
Go
for you.
it.
Oh, see, it wasn't
So
that bad.
Is it all
I'll
off?
just rip off half,
No,
and you can see. I don't know if you can zoom in on this, but you can see his pores are clean. You guys, his pores are clean. So I'll rip the other half off when we're not on air for his sake.
So it's a great way to cleanse your skin,
it
take out
works
the
really
little
well.
blackheads or something like that.
Yeah, and
Oh
it
my
takes
goodness.
off peach fuzz too.
There you go. Abrielle's at it again. Thank you so much for the do-it-yourself segment. We learn something every day here on Arizona Daily Mix. But now it's time for Pat and Catherine to talk sports.
Yeah.